Double banging in the room. Gotta play that correct for you. Mojo with the screen share. Check it out. Dude, I had that thing playing good, then all of a sudden it kicked in the room 12 seconds later on that delayed YouTube, and bam, double Elton John, killed. See that thing again, man. Gotta play the Elton like a champ. I closed that thing down quick on that YouTube. Not on YouTube, it was on the iTunes. Where was that one? Songs. That was my Elton John. Where is he? Benny Energy. Where is he? Here he is. I was playing this. Saturday night ain't no fighting. So let me show you what we did here for the month. This is an end of the month update for Mojo. Okay? It's a stock market live stream for MOJO Day Trading. Okay? And whoever's going away this weekend, please enjoy your time. Let me show you what goes on. Right here, we're in sleepy mode for the market. Sleepy mode. Let me pull this baby closer. Look at this. Nice action. Next week, I should have a new system. You don't know what that is. Going to be announcing it. It's pretty cool. The new system. Check that out next week. What we're also going to be doing is going over all the picks and what we've done. So let me show you this right now. Get that resized. I'm gonna pull over the screen right here. Go to MOJO Day Trading. Go some results. And we're gonna look at some results. First we're gonna look at day trade results. Bang. Boom, shabang, shaboom. Let's see. We finished off the month pretty nicely. Pretty nicely. This last day, I don't know how that got. Let me see, Alexa, you need to fix that. Let me see the last day. We did day 23. We did 24 trades. 24 trades today. These are the final results for the month. The day trade room, each day is very important. The first day we did 10 trades, slowed into the month into 14, 15, then we cranked it up, and really doing well in the last week or two here with some nice action going on in the room. And we finished it off with 23 days of trading. Not 20. We finished 23 days. 23 days, 433 trades, 417 picked correctly in the room. Every one of those is date, time stamped, and in the room right here. So every one of those, like these, is all date and time stamped. Told everyone to buy exactly right here at 1582, 1,000 shares, right at that exact time on that dip right here. And then I had to go pick up my boy at school and told him, yo, sell that baby at 1608. See that? So if you had 5,000 shares at 1580, you sold it at 1608. That's only one. Patience, it's going higher. Selling at 19 right there. A little bit left. Just one more. And then we did a new trade right here at 1599. And that's what we had done, and the stock made another move higher right here. I'll show you. To 1605. We should actually probably buy it again right now, guys, but we'll see. Yeah, it doesn't really make a difference. So let's just do a market recap instead. That's the MOJO Day Trade room. Let me unmute myself in the room. They can hear me as well. Muted there on YouTube. come this live stream. Let's see. Seem to be live. Let's check it out. Let me delete this. Let's put out the link and see how we're live in the room. Yeah, see, I'm live. Subscribe, guys. See? Click, just scroll your mouse on that video, click down there and subscribe. Alright, so check it out. We did 433 trades, everyone documented and time-stamped in, and for the wins. Now let's go to the swing trading results. Swing trading is the newsletter that gets sent out every Sunday, also date and time stamped with every single pick. Here's gold. Each of the positions gets opened up in a full sequence of 2 buys and then gets sold in the same sequence of 1/2, 3/4, and closed. Most of the time, 90%, unless it's like a Roxy, ROX, which is one of our main staple picks. We've made a lot on, it creeps up. So you can go 1/4, 1/2, 3/4, close, sell it in 4 parts, okay? And if you have 1,000 shares, 250 shares, every 10 cents, another 25 bucks, it only costs you what, 4 or 5 bucks? It's a nice little extra on each of those for sure. We did BLFS right here. You know what I should do is I should add a line for today's price on that sheet. Do I have that? Let me see. Nope. I'm going to put in today's price. So this is today, as of today, today's price. And then today, because it's all live, so we actually want a current quote. Let me see if I know how to do that. I'm a master at these Excel spreadsheets. So I go, what do? I go Bink, Bonk, Shebang, Shaboom. Bing, bang, bang, shaboom. That's what we do. And it's is Nugget at 9? Yup. Dude, see, it did work. Pro Trader Justin's coming. You don't know I'm working. Little my man. So I have it done. Let's see here, boom. Yo, I'm working, partner. He's my man. You want to come say hello? I'm doing an end of the month market recap. I think you should just hang out and go play your Roblox. You know what I'm saying, kid? That's what I'm saying. So I have that right there. So if we hit a little refresh, I want to show you what it looks like with today's price. Today, the stock is 909. Isn't that cool? So what we did is we sold, how come I can't fit that L in there like that? Alright, so days held for, maybe I could shrink this column down a little bit. Let's see what it looks like. Alright, so anyway, this one is at 909. We sold it at 875, and then what happened was it didn't go higher, it went lower, so we sold it at 855 and 845. Closed it out. Then BLFS at 213, we sold it at 235. Then it reversed and we got out at 230. That was probably another little piece of it. Oh, you know what I gotta do? I don't know why it's, let me see if I can get this all to fit. I want to show you how the sequencing of the positions, because this is going to be good for the traders. So while that's happening right there, let me show you that little snowboard in action. That's what it's going to look like. So let's see if I can get this fixed. This is the swing trade results. I want everything to fit in there. Let's see if we can get it done. Nah, I don't think it matters. I don't think it matters. Oh well. Anyway, you could see the close is the CL. So this one was closed. That's a half, 3/4. I kind of figured it out without it. LABD at 995. We sold at 1050. Is 1043 today. This BLFS went up a lot higher actually after we sold it. And then we just go right back to the middle right here. So then we have Biocept at 205 is sold at 235, is now 210. PPHM at 55 cents. We sold it 8 days later for 70 cents for 27%, and it's at 65 now. Dry ships at 129. We sold 145. Then we sold at 150. Then we sold at 155. And that was like a quarter. That's the one I'm talking about because there's no close next to it. Dry ships close is 185. See, beautiful. Then XG held for 2 days, made 5%. Then BLFS at 213, it went to 225, is now, look, 211 is a magic number. Oh, that's the BLFS up there, there you go. Top ships from 157 to 161, it actually, I think that one was the one that dipped maybe. So we sold 169, it reversed, we got out. Yeah, we actually rebought it back a couple of times. Here's the Roxy on held right here at $1.08. Then it went to the same day $1.15 and sold half. Nugget 765 made 7.8 on a great bottom call on Nugget that is now $9. CVRS at $1.35 and 55 we sold that one, and then $1.75 made 62% on CVRS. LABD went out to the swing again, all date and time stamped with that action right there. The LABD, we sold it at 1020, still have open. DGAS at 485, this was before the reverse split. We sold it at 505, 515, and then it reversed 495. Then Top Ships, $1.50 from $1.20, from $1.20, $1.70, and then $1.90. That was an amazing trade. Again, 58%, and we bought it back at $1.20 when we had sold it up here at $1.60 and owned it at 157. So it really took a dumping. It actually went to 106. I know I hate when I do that. You want to see? Watch. Look, daily, look. Up, where's 106? Right there, 106. It actually went to 104 the next day. I didn't even know that. And then it's at right now the same crap. But we had sold it up right there, 154. See, 154. That's nice right there. And then we did had plug for 14 days from $1. It actually dipped under $1. We actually got our average down because the first time I lost on plug in the previous month and I had sold it. If you look back on the previous month, it was the first stock of the month and I lost on it because it dipped, and I'm like, you know what, I'll just come back to it. and it wound up working. So the next time it came down, I nailed it. This was the one I did. It went to 83 cents. From $1, I'm like, dude, I did great, but then all of a sudden it went crazy in one day, and I missed it. And then it came down again to right there, and I got it again. Right there, look, on 3.9. See it? And then from there to the moon, Alice, 152. Look. So 3.9, look at the plug, 3.2. It's at 1 week before. All ripped, look at that, 1 week before. So I bought it right in here, see it? On 3.2. So it did a little flag, came down, I bought it in this. Right up there. Actually, I probably bought it here, and then it came down, we bought here to get the average back here, and then it took off. We were in it for a little while, 14 days, man. And then Scone from 116 is at 127 now. We sold it at 125 and 135 and then back down. We have XGTI, little move from 150 to 65 to 70 in 11 days. And then Neuro, 11 days, 6%. Here's the last of the plug at $1.15. No, we still have plug open 15 days. That's the $1.03. Plugs closed down here on the bottom, right here at 148. Plugs closed after 15 days. Then we did some Renova Health, 197 to 209 to 214, reversed back to 205. Top chips came from the 154 sell back down again to the same price we bought it. So this was the fourth voyage into top chips at 122. Sold it at 129, 134, and 139, and then the last one we did it again because we sold at 139. Took the fifth voyage, 122, 129, 132, and then we're done with it. Traded UVXY. This was a break even because we owned it 5 to 6 days. It went to 1558, I believe. Ugh, I did it again with the numbers. I hate when I do that in the Mojo room. I'm like the Rain Man with the numbers. So it went right here to 1556, 2 cents off. It was always that next day, and then the next day it went to 16. Pretty crazy, man. But we traded it, and I sold the next little piece here, and then closed it out back at break even. And then we traded it again at 1580. Sold it back at 18, 1825, and 18 again, right there. Top ships again from the sell at 132, back at 118. Keep on tapping the same thing. Held it for another day from 118 to 130 to 140 to 150. Did really well on the shippers this month. Then Genentech right here did well with that. Something right here. Then Genentech, we did good with that one. And then plug the end of it, and there's the end of top ships. That's it, guys. We did an average of 71 trades, 70 scalped correctly, 98% average, 11.9%, and average held 4 days. Some nice action. Very similar to the last 60 months previous. 60 months previous. That's what we do. So I think if I can, what column would I be getting rid of? The name of the company? Nah. Exit gain today. Held. Alright. It's not really fitting in there. I'll take it like I gotta be able to see them all. Let me try a setting here and see what this looks like. So what if I go let's see what this looks like. The same. Can't see the words next to it. I got to eliminate that column on the current price. Unfortunately. I squeezed it in. This might do it, guys. Let's see. You ready? I might have been able to do it. Look. As long as I could see that it's half, 3/4. No, I can't. I can do it a little bit more. Check it out. Now it will work, I think. Watch. Nope. Son of a gun. They say son of a gun. Alright, we went through this 2 so far. Let's see what else we can go through and I can show you some of the day trade room action. Definitely do that. I made you like that. So there's the half and the 3/4. Yeah, I wasn't joshing him back. Just had to get rid of that column. I can only support so much, so that's the way it'll be. A lot of people doing the 1-day trial and sticking with it, meaning it's working and they like the service. Thank you, all my new traders. Here's the Mojo University course, all the information about the online course right here to become the next pro trader in 31 days. Definitely check that out. All the other courses are right here. Look at that, the site's not loading. Got the pooches today, taking care of business today. Yeah, it is loaded nice. Ooh. So let me show you some other results and what we went through this month. Got a new trader, Edmonda, right here. Let's see if he's listening to me right now. Are you listening? You don't even know what's going on. There's the stream right there. Beautiful. Look at the UV. Let me see what I have. I have 500 left. Good. Overnight. Thank you. Hold that. It goes back to 20. So these were the picks right here. New trade entry at 316 for 15.99 from that previous sell. All date and time stamp, folks. Now here's the sell. You'll be able to see it in the room because I have some older guys that all they do, and they'll wait for that picture and they'll just nail that right there. Okay, so that's a really nice action. I'm gonna do more live trading videos and scenarios so everybody can see everything that goes on in the MOJO Day Trade room, and you can become a part of the action and make money, or you can just watch it on YouTube and wish you were making money. I have 2 traders, 2 partner firms, so you can check those out over the weekend, guys. You come here and you go to the brokers. Where is it? Really? How's that not up there? I gotta show you that. It won't work if I don't show it to you. How's that not up there? Let's see. Great results for the month on those ETFs. Traded many ETFs, traded many of the others as well. weird. Oh, I know why. I know why. I fixed it. Man, imagine if I didn't know what I was doing. I had to call somebody to do all this stuff on the web. Jeez Louise, wouldn't that be so bad? So I'll show it to you right here. Actually, I had that thing up top. I didn't even have to do that. Hi, everybody. I didn't even have to do that. It's right here. So if I go to day trade and go to brokers, you got the Cobra trading and the short trader. Two programs, one's for smaller traders, one's for bigger, over 25 grand. Check out Cobra, under 25 grand. Check out short trader. You get 100% rebate in commissions towards the purchase of any course that you learn from in Mojo. Cobra Trading gives you up to the master's program of $10,000. And Carol's loving it. Check it out why. And then Short Trader, it gives you up to $1,000, 20% rebate. This gives you 28% rebate, discounted commission rate. And then after that, you can qualify for the structure. Not intended for U.S. people for sure. It's only for international traders. And then how the tuition program works, you read that and you're all set to go. Check that out over the weekend. And check out the rest of the website as well. Let's see what we got. So we closed the market down 20,663. Can you freaking believe the Dow is still 20,000? Can you believe this? I remember when Trump was in with the Hillary, and it was the futures got halted, and it was at 15, because the Dow was at 18,000. It went to 15,000. The futures, it was unbelievable. I think it was right here. Earlier than that. That's in June, yeah. It was a huge drop. And then from there, it hasn't stopped, which was right here. That was 17,883. And in the after hours, the futures were down like 1,000 points. I thought it was going to go back down, and look at that. It went from 17,883. It Hines, this is the biggest candle. Hines right here, see? 18,000. Let me move this up here. So this is 18,000 right here. 17,900, 18,000. Does this move up again right here to 19,000 from here, 18,855, same as this, 17,883, 18,883, exact same, and the exact same move. This one was just bigger. And then what I would take from that is the number. Imagine if this is 883. Let's take a look. This was a low of 17,883, low of 18,800, and this is a low of 19. Nope. Not correlating. What about this one? Nope. And then it took off again to 19,953, settled back down, and then launched through 20,000. Let's see what this one is. Yeah, 19,883. Holy crap, dude. Look at that. Can you believe those patterns? Before each move right there. 17,883. 18,883 in that range. That one didn't do it. It was a little off. And then this one. 19,822 right there, man. Then it did it again right here. 8:45. Imagine if this one did it again. 20,412. So it went to 21,169. It's just unbelievable, man. Here's the weekly chart on it. We're in a Cupid top. This is a head and shoulders formation, which is the head right here. So you have the head right here where the circle is, the shoulder right here, and the right shoulder right here. You're supposed to short right here on the right shoulder. And you'll see a big red line coming down. You know why? Because this green bar hasn't been matched yet with a red bar. That's why. Because the market's orderly. Watch. This bar is this one, and this one is this one. This one is this one. This one is this one. This one is the red one going to come here. Then it's going to stabilize in here, and it's going to match this bar, and then this bar up here, and drop from 20,000 under and go all the way to 19,000, like a 1,000 point drop in a couple of days to match these bars. And then it'll settle back down in here and be normal. And the Dow will be in a box between 18,500 and 21,500 for many years. Complete box control. That's my analysis. So scalping and trading back and forth in the MOJO Day Trade room between the small caps and the ETFs and everything else is the way to be. And I will leave you with my new video, which I stopped a couple of times. So I have right here some free videos. Definitely check those out too, guys. I got best trading ever, lesson on shorting a stock, how to grow a small account. Check out those videos too. And the show is phenomenal. Like these shows, the other day when I did this bump on shorting in the pre-market episode, phenomenal live trading. Definitely check those out. Okay, and we'll leave it on this. Hi everybody, Pro Trader Mike. Becoming a pro trader gives you the skills you need to day trade for a living. Day trading the stock market can be a very hard thing. How do I find a system that's consistently profitable? Is this a system that's easy to follow? I'm a rookie trader, and I don't want to become the next statistic. These are perfectly natural questions and fears when you first start out day trading. If you currently feel this way, it's okay. I know you've traded before, timed the markets perfectly, made money, and had that feeling you can actually do this. But without the proper guidance and mentor, it's easy to get lost. MOJO Day Trading gives you the education and training, the systems you're going to need to become a pro trader. The main thing with day trading is staying in the race. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. MOJO Day Trading has created 10 interactive online courses to shortcut the process of going from where you are now. If you're looking to make several thousands of dollars a day in profits, you're looking to replace or exceed your prior income, perhaps to retire early, or just to provide a better life for you and your family, that's going to happen for you at MOJO University. Our mission is to help you become a pro trader so you can kick the market's ass every single day. Remember, success doesn't happen for you overnight. It's a bit of a building process. The MOJO University courses will help you with each step of the way. You can access the courses 24/7 worldwide on any device, making it really easy to follow and get the skills needed to become the next pro trader. Each one of the courses walks you through level by level what's worked for hundreds of successful traders. Our goal is not to help you make a few trades and make money once, it's to help you create wealth by streamlining, systemizing, and repeating the process over and over. Because isn't that what you want when you're starting your own day trading business? Someone who's already helped hundreds of traders get to the top of the mountain. Someone who's already at the top of the mountain, who's willing to show you exactly how they got there, right? Let's face it, in life and in business, if you're not growing, then you're dying. Once you see the true process of making money in the stock market, how they got started, paper trading first before risking real money, how they closed trades and cashed in profits, it may give you the aha moment that shows you this really is possible. It's as simple and powerful as that, but it's also more than that. The idea of making money every day, a home-based business with financial security, be your own boss, financial freedom the American dream offers, make more in an hour than you used to make in a week. When you join MOJO Day Trading, you're joining something bigger than yourself, backed by a team of hundreds of pro traders, a family-oriented community, following simple step-by-step trade plays that have proven to work, using only the most effective systems for trading stocks, saving commissions, and making more great trades, and finally, being 1,000% confident in your own trading. Becoming a member is easy. We offer a 1-week trial of the Day Trade chat room with a swing trade newsletter. Just look up above and click the 1-week trial for $1 a day. Click the red go button and get started. If you want to become a pro trader, click the big button below, become a pro trader, and check out the MOJO University courses. Get started today, keep it profitable, and I'll see you in the chat room.